Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're going to do a car review on a 2016 FRS. Okay, so far seems good. I believe this has the 2-liter boxer engine in it. Makes like 200 horsepower. Clutch is a little heavy. About this car, it's super low center of gravity, pretty good power plant, exhaust notes pretty good, and it's not like the WRX where it has unequal length headers, but it makes a pretty good noise for all them people out there that like some go-go cars, make them go loud.